Hi guys, today we worked on crossbody leads, doing it leads timing.
And follows timing.
Follows timing. And then what else did we do? Partner work. We did inside turn, outside turn, copa.
Uh-huh.
And then we did a check
We did.
with an outside turn. Yes?
Sure did.
So let's get into it. We're not gonna do the inside turn.
Outside turn.
I mean the crossbody follow and leads because it's already a video we already have.
Yeah.
So let's get right into the combo. Here we go, basic. 1, 3. First crossbody, inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Outside turn. 1, 3, 5. Copa, open break. 5. Leads right turn. Follows right turn. As the other hand, bring the follow back. Check her out. Outside turn. Cross body. 5 from this side. 1, 2, 3. First cross body inside. Ready? 5. Outside after. Open break, Mario. Copa. Leads right turn. Follows right turn. 1. Bring the follow back. 1. Take the wallow for a walk. Another copa. And send her out. And 1. See you.